What factors have contributed to the current state of Lake Powell reaching such a critical juncture? What lies ahead for Lake Powell in terms of its future and overall condition? Keep watching to find out. 2023 seems to be marked with good tidings of hydro abundance, and America is overwhelmed with joy as its citizens watch the impact of this unfolding on the previously drying lakes in the region. The waters in these lakes are rising rapidly and reaching new heights, driven by the sudden melting of snowpack on the majestic Colorado Rockies. In all this, Lake Powell has caught everyone's attention by becoming the frontrunner in the race for the highest increase in water levels among lakes in the western United States. There is even more anticipation as it becomes predicted that water levels might reach their peak next month. Recreational activities seem to thrive the most as boats cruise over the water with explorers exploring partly submerged caves. And the good thing is that the water is still rising as there are still plenty of snowpacks to melt. Lake Powell now sits at an elevation of 3,571 feet,